Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Epic Games download faster. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To potentially make Epic Games downloads faster, you can try the following tips and tricks. Step 1. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. You can use a speed test tool to check your current internet speed. Step 2. If possible, connect your computer to the internet using an Ethernet cable instead of relying on Wi-Fi. Wired connections tend to be more stable and faster. Step 3. If there are other downloads or updates happening on your network, pause or start them temporarily to allocate more bandwidth to the Epic Games download. Step 4. Close other applications and background processes that might be using your internet connection. This includes streaming services, file downloads, and other online activities. Step 5. Epic Games allows you to choose the download server. Go to the Epic Games launcher, click on your profile, then hit on the settings. Step 6. In the Epic Games launcher settings, you can find an option to limit the download speed. Paradoxically, setting a download speed limit sometimes results in a more stable and faster download. Step 7. Close the Epic Games launcher and restart it. Sometimes this simple action can help resolve the download speed issues. Step 8. Ensure that there are no other games or updates downloading in the background within the Epic Games launcher. Step 9. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily to see if it affects download speeds. Some VPNs might cause slower download speeds. Step 10. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Epic Games launcher. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 11. If the issue persists, it might be worth reaching out to your internet service provider to ensure there are no connectivity issues. Now keep in mind that the download speed can also be influenced by the server load on Epic Games' end, especially during peak times. If the problem persists, it might be related to server-side issues, and you might need to wait until the load decreases. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.